Niggas is chasing me. We gotta go.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! It's getting hot in this bitch! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh! Get out of here, man. We good. Cops trying to catch me. Too ill for that shit, man. I'm a gangster, man. I'm about to jack somebody for their car. Come on, about to jack them. Get the fuck up! Yeah, told him get the fuck out. Get the fuck out.
Get out.
You get in the back. Come on. How does this work?
No, I'm not going back there. It's my house.
What you said.
Cruising on the street in my 6'4", rocking the bitch, smacking the hoes. Alright, we had the car show or whatever. It was a good car show. Downstairs was type boring, but I got to spend the day with my twin. My twin. She's type ugly, I know, it's alright.
No, I'm fucking sexy.
Fucking sexy. Your dreams, darling, your dreams.
No, bitch.
No, bitch. It's mad yak niggas here, right or wrong?
Yep. They look like they come from fucking
Nah, they was like,
Arkansas and shit.
They was like, where you guys from? I'm from Springfield. And I was like, motherfucker, I never heard of y'all. This nigga. And I see some Harlem niggas, they was looking at me. I just looked them right in the eye like, Brooklyn nigga, Brooklyn nigga, Brooklyn nigga, shots out the Jeep, nigga, shots out the Jeep, nigga, Brooklyn nigga, what up, nigga, Papa A, nigga, I don't give a fuck, nigga, I don't care where you from, nigga, I put a shot at a nigga head, nigga, especially from Harlem, nigga, what's up, nigga?
Boo.
I was throwing shots at them niggas that just passed because they was looking at me like, Harlem, nigga, Harlem, like, Brooklyn, what's up, nigga, what's up, nigga? Wake up out all anywhere! Wake up out all anywhere!
They look like fucking nerds.
I don't give a fuck, I put two in the nigga head. My bad, Daddy.
Ow! Asshole. And this is the end of it.
Hell no!
Yes, it is.
Hell no! That's be the shortest YouTube video I got.
11 minutes you got.
Oh shit!
Then I let this wild creature in.
Watch out, watch out. Let me get it started.
I'm in! I'm in!
Take a shit.
Close this shit. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. Top of the line pickup truck, my nigga. You get stuck, I got you. You get stuck, I got you. Top of the line pickup truck, 2011 out here, man. Call me, man. 1347. Why the hell you think I'm gonna give you my number? Boom, boom. None of these shits work, Abby. Because if people would just
Alright.
Let me tell you what.
No, I don't want to know why.
Because people would say, little kids will come here and they will go, bum, bum.
Like Brooklyn, right?
Do not talk about my little brother. I get the tags. Where's your buzzards?
That way.
We lost them. I think we're just gonna have to go by ourselves. Because I'm out of minutes.
Small by myself.
Yo. Let's go back upstairs to the Escalades.
Let go.
Girl, you got a big butt. Damn. Come here, girl. Hop in my pickup truck, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. You want to be in my pickup truck, girl? Come here. Come here. They got that big ones. Come in my pickup truck, girl. You got it, man. You got it. Close that shit. Close that shit. I got the top of the line pickup truck, girl. You acting like you don't want to come through. If I can't get you in that truck, I don't know what I can get you in there. Oh, we gotta get you in this shit right here. And the pickup truck with the body kit. Like, what's up? Like, come here, girl. You wanna get in my truck? It's a full-time jet move. I'm buying. Alright. Shit's too high to get in. It's just too high to get in, so we're gonna sit on the floor. Shit is getting crazy. Alright, let me get in a preview.
Look at the mirror.
Alright, we in a Dodge Ram Sport Crew Cab 4x4 2010. Shit looked like nice. I think we gotta get a head start before we jump in here. Oh yeah! This the type of truck I want. Abby, you let me hit it in this truck? I'm like, oh, damn, girl. You got the big ones. No, me getting in. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
You didn't see that.
Go ahead.
You have like some fucking rough
I'd be
sex
like,
in
yo,
here. Look, you
want
can have
some
like
hell
fucking-
rough sex? Like, come here, bitch. Come here, bitch. Come here, bitch. No,
have a fucking orgy in here.
You can have a force in this bitch.
Where?
You want to trade bitches? Come on, man. Let's trade bitches. It's been a hard day at work today. Being the funny man ace. This ain't even got no hood. I would have fucking bitch have my head out this shit. Like, disco, cool.
Fucking ugly.
Awake! Yeah, but I just want to let y'all know. I love my twin. She's great. I would have been in my house sleeping.
No. I feel love.
But I came out here, so. But I think it's about time to go home. I'm about to go upstairs, look at some nice rims. Yeah, I know I record everything, so y'all gonna see the rims. How much minutes I got?
5, 4,
How much I got on the battery?
4.
On the battery too? What the fuck?
Wait, you got 6? No. I want to do it. Yeah, 4 minutes on battery.
What I have on the camera?
And 56.
56 minutes?
Right now you have 7.
It's confusing me. Can you just turn?